So we made some progress on this little beast. There's 16-inch front wheels, uh, big floaty ones for all the sand and stuff this will be in. The floor and everything's gonna get painted purple. After everything's done, it'll all get prime painted, all that good stuff. Oh, so anyways, the back wheel ended up being nightmare scenario here. Everyone said, oh, they make 10-inch pit bike tires, blah, 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 blah. Well, they do, except every one of them was a drum brake. And I couldn't find anything spoke-wise that would fit this. So, what I ended up doing is taking a 125cc hub. I think this is 6572 for the spacings on it. And I wanted disc brakes, so we're going to do hydraulic disc brake. So I ended up respoking this and making my own wheel. But that's where we're at. This is a 10-inch actual motorcycle rim, so the tire itself I think is 16 outside diameter, like 16.5, so we're pretty damn close front and back. So the other thing welded up to go over, we're going to braze it. I'm not sure yet if we're doing a little 2-stroke pit bike engine on this yet or electric. Thinking electric, but the way batteries are and stuff and the humidity down here just kills batteries. So I'm kind of iffy on what to do yet. But anyways, yeah, I got the floor in. We got to get a seat, steering wheel, and basically the engine. And we'll get it all painted, ready to roll. But so far, it looks good. So that's where that is at. And so last couple of days it's been downpouring out. And yesterday I got to finally burn this pipe out because this sucker was just plug solid with crap. So it's been used for a long time, few builds. This thing is going gangbuster still. I have not had any problems with it since the new window I put in it, because the other one was way too big. But this has been running really good. I just redid all the valve lash on this. I'm trying to find a CNC cover for the top of that, and I'm not having any luck. And as far as this little bugger goes, I just went through, cleaned out the carbon stuff the other day. This thing's been running great. Put a new chain on it finally. And, that's where I've been at with these. I do want to try the ape hanger bars on this at some point. So that'll come down the road. I'm not sure what I'm doing on a steering wheel on this yet either. Butterfly maybe? I don't know. But anyways, that's where I'm at. And a couple days be getting some more stuff coming. I want to do, I have two 17-inch moped rims, and I want to rebuild them on bicycle sealed bearing hubs. I got a couple choices to pick from. One other thing to note too, I'm going to do it on this one eventually. I had 2 cups blow out on this, just... I had an axle video. I broke an axle and the cup cracked, so I replaced them and redid the back wheel. And the front one, I redid it recently, and I know you can't really see, but I made 2 inserts where the cups would go, and then put in sealed ball bearings. So I replaced the cups with an insert to hold sealed bearings, and the front wheel has been sealed bearings on it. So we've been rolling with that. I'm probably going to do it to the back next. But anyways, and so I have 2 of the MS460s ready to go out actually. Just got the carbs in, and all the clutches are already done. Tons of new springs came in. Just did tons of these. I think there's like 10 in the thing. And I got all the hardware bulk, so we're good. I just gotta put together a couple of them. They're all out in the garage at the moment. There's 3 more with heads on them already done, clutches, all that. I think it's just little odds and ends. Box those up and we'll put out another 5 of these too shortly. So that's where I'm at. Another thing to note too, I had a couple people ask me about Zelle, which I'm like completely cool with. I was doing them PayPal only the first batch. Zelle I'm gonna do on the next one, so we can do it that way too. I'm just doing a direct thing for now. I'm kind of waiting to see what happens here with all the inflation and stuff, because I don't know, stuff's just getting crushed. The YD100 bottom halves are a complete nightmare to get. I'm having a really hard time getting parts in bulk and stuff. I mean, you gotta buy carbs and stuff like this, because if I was to go on Amazon and buy all this crap and then go and resell it, I mean, these things would be twice as much, and that's usually why everyone sells them twice as much. So it's like the jug and piston. I think you could pick them up like 35, 40 bucks, something like that. I mean, I'm buying them in bulk and stuff to try and keep the price down. So that's basically what I'm waiting for. But yeah, I got 2 ready to go. I think 4 out in the garage that are almost ready to go. So that's where we're at.